Hello and welcome back to another episode of 7 Billion Humans. The last episode will feature a new lever. Wow. But not the last episode. Definitely not, because there's just so much we have left to do here. So many really bad solutions too, especially up here. I guess this one is not too bad, but I think these two are pretty bad, and I think this one is pretty far away, and I don't even remember these two, but judging by the lights, I didn't do a very good job there either. Anyway, level 68, goodbye humans. Let's see what we have to do here. Bleep bleep, bloop bloop. Behold your computer overlord. You shall tremble before my superior CPU cycles. Quiver before my glowing array of 4 realistic colors. Ha. Ha ha. Lord. Just a little computer humor. We've got decades of stereotypes to work against here, you know? Not all machines enslave humans. It's a good hashtag. Well, it looks like things are wrapping up. Let's all just take one last look around and appreciate those realistic falling leaves. They are really realistic. They're not very realistic though, right? Because they're falling leaves and we're like on floor 69. Working up this huge tower. I don't know where are those leaves coming from? It's just such an updraft, you know, the leaves are just, I don't know, flying up hundreds of meters into the air? Possibly, I don't know. And appreciate that healthy orange city glow. Yep, that looks very good. And appreciate the fact that whoever built this building never installed doors. So let's all dive into that exit holder down below. I'll need to stay here, but the last worker who leaves, if you wouldn't mind, would you just click that drop down and say goodbye? Good luck out there, everyone. All workers must exit through the convenient hole at the bottom of the room. The last worker and only the last worker must say goodbye. Oh man. How? Oh man, this is not gonna be very easy, is it? I mean, something, I don't know. Just to like start disposing of workers is something we could do is like this. But I don't want to fall into this hole or this hole. Oh, they're not gonna fall though, right? Yeah, if you can just do something like this, maybe. Oh, they get stuck, right? They'll all get stuck like that. Yeah. Also, why would you... Who? She just fell right away. Yeah, I cannot do like that. I was eventually put more down here, I guess. What other things could we do? I mean, you could have like a... They could have ifs for that, I guess. That seems silly though. They're still swapping with these guys, which is killing it. Nah, this is not gonna lead anywhere. This is gonna get rid of some of them, but also too many of them. This is not... It feels like it should be easy. Maybe not get the last guy to say goodbye, but it's just getting people in the hole should be okay. Oh yeah, I want this, right. File them all down there. Well, I mean, we could just step down. It's just gonna be hard to do these two, or no, these two, I guess, to prevent them from falling in. I don't know. Let's just mess around with stuff like this, because I can't really think of anything that's, you know, significantly better than this. Or not loop. I'm not looping. Right. Nope. 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 Okay. Who stepped down? Left is a bar, step right. Oh yeah, well yeah, they stepped down. I guess we would have to do like something like this. I mean, I guess yeah, it's weird that that's all your workers have died. Kill all your workers, but okay. So is it always gonna be you? It sure seems like it's always gonna be you. So we could do like if right is a whore and up is a var, and that's only you. Does that work like that? I don't know how that works. Is she gonna save herself as the nearest worker? I don't know. Because it would just be this otherwise, right? Okay, that works. Maybe one day our space-time coordinates will intersect again. Bye. So it's not a very good solution, but we have a solution only 10 minutes in, not even 10 minutes in, so that's very good. Alright, so we want 50 seconds, and we're 24 over, and we want 9 commands, and we're 10 over. Okay. Obviously, we can't do anything with nearest whore because there are too many whores. But I can't set this whore as like a, yeah, There's no way. And we could probably get rid of all of this. How many commands is that? 1. But it's really just the if we will get rid of, because we would still need this. We could just run this for everyone. Somewhere down here maybe, but I don't know, it's not gonna be good. Okay, so how do we make this much smaller? We can't just indiscriminately walk down because of these two people over there, which is annoying. And just catching that case is already really annoying, because it's like if there's a war and then step right or whatever, it's already like half our commands for the optimization challenge, so that's not very good. And we can't just have everyone step down and right, obviously, because then these guys are never gonna hit the whore, and these guys are gonna, or she at least, is gonna fall in here. What's her name? In the cafeteria, you can buy 2 salads for twice the price. That's a good deal. I can't see her name here. So what can we do? What can we do? Let's think. We can't set anything, right? Numbers, things you're hoarding, things around you, even other workers. What happens with whores? Can I set a whore? Because it's just setting an empty tile with sort of nothing and not a specific tile. I assume the same is true for whores, but I'm not sure. It also wouldn't really help because we couldn't, yeah. There's no way we can set this whore as the destination for everyone because, yeah, no global variables here. So how do we know? How would we know? I mean, one thing is for certain we need to step down, but it would be so much easier if this whore weren't there. I think, at least. Because we could just have like a if left is nothing, step left, if right is nothing, step right. And they'll step down. But we can't because of these two jerks. So it's just gonna walk off the edge there. That would be low in commands and maybe allow me to get to the goodbye as well. I think that's the key here. I need to get the movement down. We tried this thing a while ago. We did this. I don't know what that does exactly yet. Let's mess with it. We're gonna fall into these whores. God. And even if I don't do these two guys, Because I could also do this. No, this. But that's just gonna make things bad again, because they'll fall in again. I can't step to it though, I forget. I keep forgetting that doesn't work. I so want it to work. But it doesn't, you can't step to a specific tile. Ugh. And then that's too many commands. Like if left is nothing, step left. If right is nothing, step right. That's just so many commands. That's interesting. Right is nothing, step right. Jump up here. Oh yeah, and then you can't actually go down. That's interesting. It's very problematic, but also very interesting, I guess. It's still gonna break. Just on this side now. But yeah, that alone is already 9 commands, which is all we have, and we are not doing anything. Like, we're not actually killing them all, and we have no way of doing the goodbye, so it's not very good. How could we change this? The thing is that I want to prevent them from falling into these holes, but get them into this hole. So I can't do anything with a random step, because I don't know which hole is the hole I want to fall in. So I can't say, oh, if hole, don't go there, because I don't know. I mean, I know I only want to step down into a hole, so this maybe I can use that, because I never want to step right into a hole, but I don't want to step down into this hole from this spot right here. So this spot here is the killer, really. I guess I could do if left and right is a war step down. Or something like that. If down is nothing. Step down. If right is nothing, step right. There has to be an else here so you don't do both. But that's 8 commands. That's just it's not gonna work like that. Oh, if left is left, that's not what this was supposed to be. But actually not stepping in the hole now, which is obviously not ideal. And yeah, it's already 8 commands. I can't have this. This is too much. It's too expensive. It was 9, right? Yeah. The thing is, I can't even exclude these two and just do a weird for each tier step down. Because they're still all gonna die, because they're idiots. Because if I exclude these two, these are still all gonna file into the stupid whore and these two. So I don't know how to prevent that. I could only have people step if down is nothing. Yeah, it's literally nothing. But how do I get these like into the middle? If I had something I could step towards into the middle, that would be great. But I can't. And again, we would be at a point where I would want to do if left is nothing, step left. If right is nothing, step right. But that's 5 commands of the L's in there. And then we're already at 9, and that's that. There's no way we can get a goodbye in there. Nearest doesn't help, because nearest war doesn't make sense. It's all different wars. And I just don't really want to step to wars. Nearest whore doesn't make sense, because it's only this whore for like a very, very small group of people here. Like all of these have this as the nearest whore, and these all have these two up here. Nearest worker doesn't make any sense either. I think. Maybe it does, maybe it does. So we do nearest worker. But again, I can't indiscriminately step down because of this whore. Otherwise, I could just step to nearest worker, step down or something, and try to funnel that R into the middle or something. But that's just killing these idiots. And the whole if left is a war is problematic because of these guys. Ah, left this war down as a whore. No! Yeah, but I can't funnel it into the middle like that. I don't know. I don't know. Nah, there's nothing useful here. How do I center them? Centering is so hard because there's no reference point that I can go towards, and obviously, you know, the middle is to the left for half of them and to the right for the other half. So I can't just go. Ah, man. I can't really determine anything relevant, right? There's no... I have no ideas, no ideas. That's not good. It's actually interesting that this one is so slow. Compared to the challenge, because I don't know, I guess there's lots of ifs. If I could, yeah, if I could save specific tiles, it would be also more interesting. But I can't. I cannot do that. This is such ugly code. There has to be a better way of doing this, right? I don't know. Taking very long to get these guys going, I think, is the reason why it's slow. It still feels like it's pretty fast, honestly, though, because... I guess it's just not, because they get stuck, and then... Even though there's like every step one is falling in, it just takes too long to resolve each loop. This is weird that it's weird that this works. Now look at the code. If right is nothing, step right. Else step down, I guess. Makes it work, because there's always an else. Somewhere, maybe. I don't know. Why did when you're right here? If right is nothing, step right. You should step here. If left is nothing, step left. Jump. If right is... Shouldn't they get stuck here? I don't know how this works. Whatever. It's not important. How do we do this? If you could determine who's on the outside and then just make these people go 4 steps in and these people 3 steps in and then these people 2 steps in and these people 1 step in and these people just straight down, that would be amazing. But how, like, that alone is gonna kill me to try and do that. We can't do a for each tier and then check for like workers or something, because that is silly. Because you have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, which would be the right amount, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps in. But then you should go 3 steps, and then you have 7 workers, and you have 8, and you have 8. I can't discern who's who. And obviously these guys also have 8 in the middle here, at least. These ones don't. You have 5. Nah, I don't know. I don't know how to make the movement cheaper. That's the biggest issue I have. That's gonna kill it. I hate that I can't even see this run to see how that would all work out over here, because it's just annoying. It's just annoying. So annoying. Oh yeah, down the whore kills everything, right? That's our big issue with this whore. I don't know how to step in a direction that makes any sense. God, I hate this whore so much. It makes testing such a pain. But even in the for each here, I don't know which tile I'm on. Like, I can't step to a specific tile, right? Because I can't save directions or coordinates or whatever. And everything takes so much space. Like if I do if right is a war, you know, step left, if left is a war, step right. I could funnel from here on out at least. But that's too many lines of code, because I can't do if walk away from war. I can't. there's no way to do that. How do I get this down to 9 commands? Because I definitely need to step, I definitely need to jump, I definitely need to tell goodbye. That's already a third of my code here. I only have 6 more lines. And I don't know how I'm determining that I'm the last person other than this, which is 2 more lines of code. Which would mean I have 4 more lines to make everything else work. I don't know. It's just that there's no, I can't, like this, it's funny, there's not a single direction I can just go. I can't go left because of these two, I can't go right because of these two, I can't go down because of you, I can't go up because of you, I can't go down and left, I can go down and right. It's just always someone who's gonna fall. Up and right, up and left. There's no safe direction that I can just step without killing someone in a wrong hole. Oh man. How do I go to the middle? How do I go to the middle? How do I go to the middle? I don't understand how to do it. It really feels like a good nearest would do something for me, but there's no good nearest that I can use, because nearest worker is different for everyone, nearest hole is different for everyone, nearest worker is different for everyone. There's no... Did I say worker twice, or did I say war for the first one? I'm not sure now. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, because it's not relevant. I can't do anything with it. I have no clue what to do. I don't know how to make this movement work. Yeah, no idea. Trying very hard to come up with something that lets me move in the funnel, but I don't know how to do it, because I can't determine if I'm on the right or on the left. There's no way, right? I mean, I can do it for like these on the outside. Like if right is a war or right is a horde, I'm on the right, and if left is a war or left is a horde, I'm on the left. But that's only true for the very like outside peeper. Like for this guy, I have no idea where he is. Does he need to step left? Does he need to step right? I do not know. And even then, that's just so much code. If I do like if left is a whore or war. No, war. I don't know how many steps. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. I don't know. I do not know. And then the same on the other side, and that's already too much code. Oh, that goes the wrong way. And I'm still gonna kill them all because they're gonna step right and swap, and then this is gonna step down and die. So I can't even run this now. But there you go. Oh, I'm not looping it, right? So they're not dying just yet. Why do I always drag the wrong one? Actually, I'm not falling in. Yeah, this is working. Because they get stuck. Okay, I got it. Maybe. What? This time someone died. What changed? This changed everything? Screw you. Just worked. It's just this timing offset killing it. That would be funny in a way. Also very annoying though. When does it break? What? Why would you say goodbye right there? Oh, because your worker jumped in the hole. Alright, I guess that makes sense. Ah, no! So close. So close. So close. So close. So then that doesn't work, because I don't think... I mean, I could do it here, which would be closer, but it's still gonna be wrong. No, it wasn't wrong. Okay, so we got the 9 commands. And we're actually faster. By 4 seconds. But how do we get another 20 seconds shaved off the time here? This feels pretty good. Unless there's a quicker way that doesn't require this. I guess I could step maybe like this. Would that help? Would that save time? Would that break things? It's gonna be interesting. It makes things wow, a lot faster. Wow, that's a lot faster. I thought it would be faster. That's why I tried it, but I didn't think it would be fast enough, but it's easily fast enough. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Alright, I'm happy with this. We got a solution that is optimized for both challenges. I mean, 2 lights turned on. What more could you ask for? Excellent instruction follower. I got my achievement for completing all the levers. Very good. But we have what, 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 15 optimizations left. That's so many optimizations. 15. It's gonna be a bunch of levers episodes still. I'm gonna guess. I might cheat in, well, not really cheat in the classical sense, but I might just look at this off camera a bit. We'll see how it goes. I might just try one episode to see if it can make any progress at least. Starting from the bottom right here, working our way back up the tree, but if I just get really lost, I'll have to try and work these out off camera, I think, because I just don't have much confidence in my ability to get those done. Even though we got these ones done very, very, very reasonably, or very, very quickly, I guess. 47 minutes for both is not too bad. It's interesting, it took 10 minutes for solution and then another 35 basically for the optimizations. I don't know why I didn't try this much sooner though. The whole if left is war, if right is... Yeah, I don't know. Because we had something like that in there. This is just a horrible mess. I should have really it felt like this was just gonna be too much code no matter what, but yeah, it's not. Because I knew I didn't need this chunk up here, so I knew I could save. Well, all about 3 lines. It could save 3 lines right there, down to 16, I guess. And I knew that step down, step down was very, very bad. That I should save 2 more of those, but I felt like I was still in the teens for sure with that. But that's neat. It's pretty elegant, I think. And I'm happy with it. I'm very happy with this one. That's the first one I've been happy with since maybe this one. I don't remember this one though. I actually wasn't that happy with that one, right? Anyway. What was this one like? Let's just look. Let me just look. And then we'll end the episode there. Oh, are the neighbors, right? How close did we get there? Yeah, that's reasonably close. 3 commands and 35 seconds. I think the reason it's so slow is because we like step all the way over and then run them both from the same side or something weird like that. What makes me nervous is that this says 17 commands, which probably means I don't have a working solution right now. Yeah. So we'll have to fix that before we do anything else. Why did I break this before I quit? Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just some optimizations left to do, and then we'll finally get our cutscene at the end. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.